Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the App Store and search for Google Photos on your iPhone. Tap Get or the cloud icon to download, then wait less than 2 minutes for installation. After installation, open Google Photos and sign in with your Google account using your email and password. Complete any two-factor authentication prompts if your account requires extra verification. Stay on the screen until the app finishes signing you in and shows the main photo grid view. When prompted, tap Allow access to all photos so Google Photos can view your library. Open the app menu and choose Settings, then tap Backup and Sync to enable automatic uploads. Select High Quality or Original Quality based on your storage preference and possible Google One limits. Confirm that backup over Wi-Fi is enabled to avoid mobile data charges during uploads. Exit Settings and watch the backup progress bar appear across. Tap the Google Photos icon on your home screen to open your cloud library immediately. Use the bottom tabs labeled Photos, Search, and Library to navigate through your pictures and videos. Enter keywords or places in the search bar to find items quickly, using dates or people names when available. Add the Google Photos widget to your home screen or create a Siri shortcut for one-tap access. Close the app and reopen it to confirm your photos sync consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.